Last day on the boat. Last full day, that is.
Last day only.
Yeah.
Keep going.
Oh.
Because we gotta go to 3.
3? Oh, yeah. Okay.
Get our rifle together.
Yeah, you're right. About to go to the de-embarkation presentation. That sounds cool. De-embarkation presentation.
Learn how to get off the ship early.
Yep, because we need to get off the ship early because we're going to go to Universal Studios tomorrow. So, my rental car appointment is at 10 o'clock. So, yeah.
I'm gonna try to make it.
It don't matter.
For sure.
Especially since we're gonna be returning. No, you're gonna get used to it.
Yeah, you're right. Yep, so we're on the way there.
Director, I'm Steve from Canada. If you hated every minute of it, my name is Julie McCoy. Folks, let these guys and girls go out there and serve you one more day. Have a good day, everybody. Thanks for being here. You're the best.
Today, you get
About the salsa dance out here.
the lobby, the professional salsa dancers. So before
I'm good.
we start, I'm going to introduce myself. My name is Michelle. I'm part of your bomb squad team, and I come from Mexico City.
Woo!
And this is Carlos, and he comes from Cancun, Mexico. Okay guys, so to start, I'm going to teach you the basic salsa steps, okay? Rule number 1, and it's the most important rule in salsa. You always start to the left.
Tired.
Guys, if you go back home,
Don't do this.
went to the salsa lesson, and you cannot dance, at least you know how to count from 1 to 8 in Spanish. So you did learn something today. So this was our salsa.
We need some water.
I know, right?
Thank you.
Right here.
Despacito.
Okay, how many?
You ready? Huh?
We gonna sit out this one.
Yeah. When this heavy tripod make my hand hurt.
Yeah.
Yeah. You got 2 left feet, I got 2 left feet. It just don't work. It just don't
We tried.
Yeah, we tried. We tried. We're currently waiting for the hairy chess competition to start. Just chilling on top of the deck, deck 10. It's gonna happen down there. They say you can enter, you only have to have 1 single chest hair to enter the competition, so I think I might enter. My one chest hair.
A nice little strut to the girls, boys. You want to do a spin, you want to get down on all fours, whatever you want to do. You're going to make your way over to the ladies. You're going to approach our single lady. First thing you do, put your hands up nice and high. You're going to get in there and feel that hairy chest. Yes.
Oh, God.
And you're going to turn around and feel the backside as well. Move on to our mom right here.
What you do, babe?
For you, and then grandma. 2 hands in there. Enjoy what you got. Exactly. All right? Only 3 men will make it to the finals, which will take place in the pool. I'll tell you about that in a few moments' time. Give it up for Adam, everybody. Here we go.
Oh, really?
All right, Adam.
I'm about to get up.
All right. See what's underneath that shirt. Here we go. Check it off, Adam. Yeah. Now that's a hairy man right there. All right. Doing the strut for the ladies. Approaching our single lady. Get on in there, my dear. Oh, yeah. Woo! It's 1 man down. Here comes our second gentleman. Come on over here, sir. Right here. What's your name?
North Carolina.
Ernie from North Carolina, ladies and gentlemen. You ready? Give him some music first. So here we go. Oh, yeah, Ernie. Here comes Ernie making his way over to our single lady. Get on in there. Contestant number 3. Come on over here, sir, right here. Hi, what's your name?
Craig Sylvester from Fort Worth, Texas.
Craig from Texas, ladies and gentlemen. You ready, Craig? Here comes your music. Do it for him, Verso.
I think it's very right. That's right. On top of
Shaking him right in your face. How about that? Come on, Grandma! All right, contestant number 4 over here. Hi, what's your name?
Sean from Southampton, Massachusetts.
Sean from Massachusetts. Contestant number 4. You ready, Sean? Show him what you got. Here we go.
Hey!
Here we go, Sean.
Sure.
Andrew from Jersey. All right, you ready, Andrew? Time to show him what you got. Here we go, Andrew. The cup shirt is off. There we go. You ready? Get in there, sing them. I'm always giving you the backside first. Let's see the front. Yeah. There we go. Last but not least. How you doing, sir? What's your name?
Carmine from Montreal.
Carmine from Montreal. Excellent. All right, Carmine, you ready? Time to do it for a little Canadian pride. Some music, please, Marcel. Here we go.
Let's play some Drake. Can't touch
Here
this.
comes Carmine.
Can't touch this. Can't touch this.
I know.
Oh, man. Here you go. Not much hair on there, but that's all right. A song, and then we're going to play a slow booty shaking song. And I want you guys to get ready to back up on the girls. Now, boys, you don't got to stay in this line. You can change the order of the men. You can back up on the ladies. Don't stay there. Work all 3 ladies. It's your last chance to impress the girls before the finals, all right? Ladies and gentlemen, you guys ready for the men's booty shaking competition?
Woo! That sounds so wrong.
On your mark, get set, go!
Let me see that
Turn it up, Verso, turn it up. Get on in there, guys. Back up on the girls, guys. Back up on the girls. Work the ladies. This is your fast booty shake. But ladies and gentlemen, it's all about to change. Yeah. Work it. That's it, boys. Work it for the girls.
Oh, that.
Woo! Now don't stop till I tell you. Keep going. It's gonna work. I'm gonna invite each one of our men. I'm gonna call them by name. They're gonna come down to me doing a slow motion David Hasselhoff Baywatch style run. When they get down to me, they're then gonna pound on their hairy chest and give us their best Tarzan yell. And then, ladies and gentlemen, I want to introduce you to the beautiful dolphin. His name is Dustin. Everyone say, "Aw." Folks, this is one nasty dolphin, and this dolphin is in need of an attitude adjustment. These boys are gonna get in the pool and wrestle a dolphin. That's right. And the one who does the best job in taking care of business with Dustin will be the one getting your votes this afternoon to be our men's hairy chest champion. Now we've got Andy, we've got Ernie, and we've got Sean. Come Andy! Slow motion run, Andy. Where is he? Where's Andy? There he is. All right, here he comes. Making his way down here. Now, Andy, when you get here, we're gonna get that big Tarzan yell. Let them all hear it. Oh! Andy, here we go! The elbow slam to the dolphin. Oh no! Oh no!
I think he busted a dolphin. He busted a dolphin.
Oh no!
That's a dolphin.
Poor Dustin! One shot and he's gone! And for Ernie! Here he comes. No soft dolphin's gonna stop you, Ernie. Give us that big Tarzan yell. Woo! Get what's left of that dolphin, Ernie! Yeah! Oh, a flaccid dolphin. Are you ready? Here we go. Give it up for Sean, everybody!
That's fine.
Swimming his way out. Very nice. Here he comes. Tarzan yell. Guess what's left of that dolphin?
Please do not go to guest services or Camp Ocean, all right? Nothing on here you will need for Camp Ocean or guest services, I promise, all right? Now, I have just a little after 12:30. You have 12:50 to get back here. What time?
12:50.
What time? 12:50. Because if you come in at 12:51, we're all going to stare at you and we're all going to silently judge you.
Oh, y'all, scavenger hunt. Scavenger hunt.
Someone on your team eating pizza.
What'd you say?
Someone not on your team eating pizza. What is that?
Eating pizza? Yeah. 9.
Or making an ice cream.
All right. All right, y'all, scavenger hunt time. Everybody's running. Everybody's running.
Guess I'm on my hand.
Kill him.
I gotta fix my shoe.
The last, I guess what, dinner of the cruise. Yep, so this is what we're wearing, it's our attire.
Last dinner of the cruise, and this is what I'm wearing. This is actually an outfit from Burlington. However, I did get the shoes from Marshall's from graduation party. So this is my outfit.
Best revenge is your paper.
You wanna do your outfit?
I guess.
Let's look at them shoes. And where's your outfit from?
I don't know, like Marshalls?
Them shoes are actually from Nordstrom Rack.
Yeah.
Those are Sperry's. The shorts, I truly don't remember where we got yours
Marshall,
from.
Burlington, Ross, one of those 3 stores.
Yeah. But
Yeah.
this is how we look.
Yeah.
And we'll try to vlog tonight. We'll
I
see.
guess. Yep.
But today was a day
Day
On
at
the
sea.
cruise ship, day at sea, and what we did was we basically relaxed, stayed in the room. No, we did go to the hairy chess contest,
Yeah, that was fun.
and I think we vlogged
I learned
that.
how to salsa dance. That was also in the vlog earlier. So.
Learned how to salsa dance, and we both learned that we have it's official. We have 2 left feet, so yeah. But like he said, right now we're about to head to dinner, so we'll see y'all later.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.